So, are you guys ready to go? Huh? You got anything to say, Joyce?
Thanks, Jeff. This is really nice.
Okay.
And Jim is up in there.
Yep, we're going to bring you up closer.
Jim and Ed are up there.
We're going to get you up closer. All right, and you'll get a nice view. Joyce Lagestee.
It's what?
Hang on, I'll play it. I'm going to put this on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure they don't have the quality name in there, my insurance company.
Nope.
Yeah, you don't
Now that you said it, Frank. Now that you said it.
I'd like to advertise.
They're going to be about 90 to 100 feet by the time it's boomed up. It's a beautiful view from up there. You can see the entire golf course. It's awesome. There, up there. But like I said, it's a beautiful view. They gotta enjoy it. Coming down. What did you think of the view? What did you think of the view?
The view is gorgeous. The sun's going down.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, it was so neat.
Aren't you glad you went?
Yes, we went all the way to the top.
You were.
You're 110. Top of that room is at 115, so you're about 110 foot up in the air.
So how many stories is that?
10.
It's about 9.5, depending on how big the building is.
I'd say average would be 10 foot a floor.
I have 142 foot of stick in this right now. I can put the gym out and get 200, so I can continue at 200 feet in the air. So we work on water towers, and we work on cell towers. So we don't use the stick that much. We don't go that high that often. Most of my work is cryogenic tanks. We do a lot of hospitals.
Wow.
So we do the oxygen.
You missed it soon.
You'll get to see it on
I don't
YouTube.
really have to go so high. I just went to 110.
Nick, tell Sue behind me, my sister, she really wants to go up. Tell her you're ready.
Sue, are you ready?
Come on, Sue. You're getting
No, we just
closer.
want to show you it. Come on over, we just want to show you it. Your mom needs somebody to hold her hand.
Come on, help me out.
It's just, I'll only take you up this far if you want. As soon as you say no, I'll bring you right down. Go with your mom.
I told him whether to go up or down. Come on.
I'll listen to you, Sue, I promise.
So
I'll
it's
make
a
him
chance of a
listen.
lifetime.
It's an amazing view.
It is.
Jeff will go
What
with
if I
you
go
you
with
want.
you?
Let Jeff go with you.
Because I'm scared.
So how high?
Okay, signing off.
Okay.
This is from
thank
the
you.
Sancuary
Thank you.
2017 Marty Larson outing, and we had great weather, and this was our 10th year and had a great time.